Westy here from Slow Burner Barbecue. Gonna have some fun with some pork ribs with some Powerhouse pork. Here we go. We're gonna get rid of that fat and the membrane off the back. Trying to punch in that flavour with some Powerhouse pork. Time to throw it in the smoker. Got our flaming coals offset running at 275 Fahrenheit. Here we go. That colour's looking popping. We've got a little pullback on our bones there. Meat side down into our wrap. Got our butter, sugar and honey. Here we go. Wrap it up nice and tight. Back in the offset. We just hit 205 Fahrenheit in the offset. We gave them a bit of a sticky glaze. Had a chance to rest, so we're just going to slice them up now. So there you have it, pork ribs, straight out of the offset. Just one thing left to do, nosh away.